Okay, my name is Craig Harris, and this is my CS457 Project 5 video. We're doing image manipulation. Okay, so I'll start off by showing that the fisheye works using the power variable. So this is if it's less than 1, it does the inverse of a fisheye. There's the fisheye, and you have the black around the edges where if the S&T lookup is greater than, if it's outside the range of 0 and 1, it paints the pixel black. And you can go crazy with that. I'm just going to reset this. And then, so that's fisheye. Show that the whirl works, and that's this theta variable. Got that working. And again, if the S&T lookup is outside the range of 0 and 1, paints the pixel black. For mosaic, gets you that sort of pixelated look. Okay. And then I can blend the two. And I've added some other features, so we can add some brightness, and we can add contrast. And then you can do multiple at the same time, so here we fisheye it, we add a whirl, blend it a little, and add the mosaic. And in this case, the mosaic is applied before the fisheye and the whirl, but I added a option to do it after that. And then you can also take the unit vector minus the RGB values. And there you go. So we got the fisheye works, the whirl works, mosaic works, and the blending works. Thank you.